Have you ever wondered how many different types of drones exist? From delivering packages to exploring dangerous places and even helping scientists study the Earth, drones are changing the way humans interact with technology. But not all drones are the same. In this video, we will explore the major types of drones, how they work, and where they are used in the real world. Let's begin.
1. Multi-rotor drones. The most common type of drone is the multi-rotor drone. These drones have multiple propellers that provide lift and control. The most popular consumer drones, like quadcopters, fall into this category. Multi-rotor drones are widely used for aerial photography, videography, surveillance, drone racing. They are easy to control and perfect for beginners. However, their flight time is usually limited to around 20 to 30 minutes. 2. Fixed-wing drones. Unlike multi-rotor drones, fixed-wing drones look more like airplanes. They have wings instead of multiple propellers. This design allows them to fly longer distances and stay in the air for hours. Fixed-wing drones are often used for mapping large areas, agricultural monitoring, military reconnaissance, environmental research. However, they require a runway or launching system to take off. 3. Single-rotor drones. Single-rotor drones look similar to helicopters. They use one large rotor and a small tail rotor for stability. Because of their design, they can carry heavier payloads and fly longer than multi-rotor drones. These drones are commonly used for industrial inspections, scientific research, cargo transport, but they are more complex and expensive to operate. But here's the drone technology that will change the future. 4. Hybrid VTOL drones. Hybrid VTOL drones combine the advantages of both multi-rotor and fixed-wing drones. VTOL stands for vertical takeoff and landing. These drones can take off like a helicopter, but fly efficiently like an airplane. They are extremely useful for military operations, long-distance surveillance, disaster monitoring, scientific exploration. Hybrid drones represent the future of drone technology. Why drones are important? Drones are revolutionizing many industries. They are helping scientists study wildlife, assisting farmers in monitoring crops, supporting rescue missions, military operations, and even delivering medical supplies to remote areas. As drone technology continues to evolve, their capabilities will become even more powerful. If you enjoyed learning about drone technology and the science behind it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing science and discovery content. And tell us in the comments, which type of drone do you find the most interesting?